So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, do well to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, right? So guys, once again, if you are yet to follow the Telegram channel, the link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So guys, follow our Telegram channel. I'll put the link in the comment section. Now let's take a look at what we'll be expecting this week on our GBP. So guys, this is it right here. Our trend on GBPUSD right here currently is we will take a look at it as an uptrend move. That is the overall movement. But we will also look at the current trend. So we have the main trend and we have the current trend, right? So the main trend on our GBPUSD is an uptrend move. This is it right here. Our main trend on GBPUSD is an uptrend move. But when you take a look at our current trend right here, we would see this as a bearish move, which is just a pullback phase. Especially when you go to your daily time frame, this is the trend, right? Market is dropping. So we are going to cover it very soon. But when you take a look at this right here, market is selling. So we had it, one of it opening and closing bearish, week two of it opening and closing bearish. Now, currently we are in week 3 and we should be expecting week 3 of GBPUSD to actually open and close bearish. So this week they are predicting for, we should be expecting a bearish move on our GBPUSD, right? So you can clearly see that this week right now we would be expecting a bearish move on GBPUSD, right? So GBPUSD we should be expecting to actually open and close bearish, right? Then later, once it's open and close bearish, then we can now start anticipating for another bullish move. So in the long run, we are still on a bullish move on GBPUSD. I want you to have that in mind, that in the long run, we are still on a bullish move on GBPUSD. So if you're a position trader, right, or you are a swing trader, right, you should be looking for your buy in the long run, right? In the long run, you should be expecting a bullish move on GBP US dollar. So we will be expecting a bullish move, right, in the long run on GBP USD. But for now, GBP USD is on a bearish move, right? So we should be still expecting some sell, right? Now let's go down to the daily time frame. So what can you see? This is a bearish move. See, this is it here. The one of markets opening and closing bearish, the two of markets opening and closing bearish, the three of markets opening and closing bearish, and this is the four of markets opening and closing bearish. So if in case there's a pullback, there is going to be another sell. So above all, we should be expecting a 5 of markets opening and closing bearish. So above all, we will be anticipating for a bearish move on our GBP USD. So whatever you would want to be looking out for on your GBP, you should be looking out for a sell. Now let's go down to the 4-hour time frame right here. So this is it here. Market is on a bearish move, right? Market is literally selling, right? When you take a look at it on your trend, on your 4-hour time frame trend, especially which is being used for by day traders, that is one. You can also see that this market price is trading below our 10-period simple moving average. So this is also a strong indication that market is on a bearish move. Now take a look at this. This is a sell. And here comes the pullback. This is the sell. Then here comes the pullback. So this is here also a sell, and here comes the pullback right here. So this is also a sell, and here comes the pullback. Now this is a sell, and here comes the pullback. This is here is also a sell right here. This is also a sell, which is a lower low, right? So you can clearly see a series of lower low and a lower high. So this low took out this previous low. So on your next movement on 4-hour time frame, expect your lower high. Once the lower high plays out, then you should be looking for another sell. So guys, this week we will be going bearish on GBP USD. If there will be any changes to this our prediction, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. In order for you not to miss out on the updates, all you just need to do is click on that subscribe button, like and share.